Welcome to the Specialty Toys Network training session. In this session we're going to introduce you to the different login screens you will get as a new Specialty Toys Network member. The first screen that you will see when you sign up for Specialty Toys Network is a customer support center. And you will get an email once you sign up with your customer support username and login. To access that, just go to stoysnet.com in your browser, and then when you get to our main website, click on our member login section here. Just click on member login, enter your username and password. Again, you'll get that from your project manager. If you don't have that, feel free to holler at us and we'll send that out to you again. Click login with your username and password. Once you log in, you'll get a customer support center welcome page as well as a left menu here specifically for STN members. Kind of go over real quick what's in our customer support center. First of all, you can submit trouble tickets. If you have any questions or need any support, feel free to submit a ticket and we'll answer that as soon as we can. You can also take a look at our past training sessions. Training schedule here will let you see current live sessions that you can enroll in. Just click on the schedule calendar. If you see a session you want to go in, click on it. You'll see a list of topics being covered as well as a sign-up screen to let you register for that class. There's no charge for these classes for STN members, so take full advantage of those. There's also in the training session, there's a training archive section here. So if you just go into the training archive section, you'll see a list of classes that we've recorded as well as general topics and specific special topics like one-off classes or special sessions. You're always welcome to come in here and view those as well. Next thing you'll see is the site options, some information on payment processors, shipping calculators, and search engine optimization. You also have some graphic resources here in the left menu. The first one we'd like to look at is the manufacturer logos and promo banners. If you go into promo banners, you'll see that you get a new menu on this page listing out different brands, and if you go through it a few times, you can use the filter here. Let's just look at a new one here. We have a Halloween, so I'll search a little bit, type in some text, and then click Enter or Return on your keyboard. You'll find that particular page. If I click on that title, I'll see the graphics associated with that title. So these are great for creating your own banner ads in your websites. Let's go down a little bit further. We see we've also got a list of manufacturers that are in the STN master database. You can always check that to see if you're looking for products, if we've already processed them. If not, or if you find that there's holes in products, maybe a manufacturer has released new data and we haven't processed it yet, feel free to go to our Request Toy Data link here. Click on this link and you can go to our product request system. Here in our product request system, we just ask you to go through a few simple steps, select the company, and put some contact information in and submit that, and we'll go ahead and see about getting those products into our system as soon as we can. Couple other areas here. There's a member forum for STN members, some information on consumer product safety, administrative hazard links. So those are all options and tools available for you in the Customer Support Center. Again, getting to the Customer Support Center, you go to the stoysnet.com website and go to the member login page. The next login that you'll get is going to be to your new website. To get to that, you'll actually be going to yourdomain.com. Not yourdomain.com, but you'll type in your actual domain. In this case, this particular site here is our demo site, but the address would be yourstore.com. You'll get your domain from your working with your project manager. Go ahead and type that in to get to the front end of your website. That's what the public will see. To get to the back end or the administrative side of your website, you'll follow your domain up by a / and then administrator. So www.yourdomain.com /administrator, and it will take you to the login screen where you can start managing your site. Once you log in, you'll see you get to the control panel for your website, and you'll have access to all the tools to manage the content both the product information as well as the contextual other additional information, whether that's the event calendars, maybe your picture galleries, your banner system, additional informational pages like the static content. Those will all be covered in depth in another tutorial, but the going to your /administrator after your website name .com will get you to your control panel login there. We have one other login that you may get depending on what your preferences are and your user account settings. You may have access to a control panel. To get access to your control panel, you would just type in www.yourdomainname and then the .com or .net or whatever you have if your domain is set up different, and then /cPanel. You'll get to this login. Input your username and password. And again, if you don't know the username and password for your cPanel, request that from your project manager. And once you log into your control panel, you'll have access to mail settings is usually the default in here, so that you can control creating email accounts, forwarders, and looking at some advanced web statistics. A lot of times we'll handle this for you, so if you don't have access to the control panel, it's probably because we are managing your email account setup for you. So those are the three main login screens that you'll be getting. Welcome to Specialty Toys Network, and we hope you really enjoy your time with us.